Another thing you'll want to protect your family from is carbon monoxide, which is a byproduct of fire. Gas-burning appliances like water heaters, stoves, furnaces, and fireplaces give off carbon monoxide, which is supposed to be vented completely out of your home. Now, this gas is a deadly poison, so when it builds up in a home, the results are tragic. And because it's colorless and odorless, a carbon monoxide detector is the only way to know if you have a problem. Now, you can find these things as standalone units that can just plug right into the wall or just sit it on a tabletop, but most manufacturers also offer them in a combination device that detects smoke as well as carbon monoxide. That way, there's one less battery to remember to replace. Now, speaking of that, all of these devices need batteries either as a backup or for primary power, but they won't protect you. The battery is dead, so change them every 6 months. Now, the detectors won't last forever either, so write the date when you buy the unit on the back of these. That way, you'll see exactly how old they are and when you need to replace the unit every time you change the batteries.